Big names and big money. A Senate privilege speech is shining the spotlight on families with ties to multi-billion peso government projects. At the center, a property developer in Clark now linked to the daughters of former top public works officials. Hannah T. has the details.
Former Public Works Secretary Manuel Bunoan's daughter has been linked to a property firm tied to billions in government projects. Senate President Pro Tempore Ping Lacson laid out the connections in his privilege speech. At the center is MBB Global Properties, the developer of the almost 1 billion peso Wyndham Garden Hotel in Clark. Documents show that its treasurer is Fatima Gay Bunoan de la Cruz, daughter of former DPWH Secretary Bunoan. Also listed in the same company is Sunshine Bernardo, daughter of retired USEC Roberto Bernardo. Ex-USEC Bernardo handled regional operations at the DPWH. He was later tagged by contractors Sara and Curly Discaya as demanding up to 25% commissions from flood control projects. The third name is Macy Monique Maglanque, president of MBB Global Properties. Her family owns Global Crete Builders, which bagged more than 2 billion worth of DPWH contracts from 2018 to 2024. According to Lacson, her father, Mayor Rene Maglanque of Candaba, Pampanga, even boasted in a public interview that he was a big contractor with billions in projects.
Ang Global Crete ay pagmamayari ng mga Maglanque ng Candaba. Si Mayor Rene Maglanque ang presidente noong 2024 na kung saan may mga kontrata na siya mismo ang pumipirma na dapat sana ay nag-divest siya.
Put together, Lacson argued that these connections raise questions about overlap between government projects and private ventures. Maglanque, Bernardo, Bunoan, three families, all connected through MBB Global Properties, with links to multi-billion peso government contracts and property developments.
Kaya naman pala ang palaging depensa ni dating DPWH Secretary Bunoan, isolated case lang daw ang nakita ni Pangulong Bongbong Marcos sa Ghost Project sa Bulacan. Ayaw na siguro ni Bunoan na maungkat pa sa investigasyon ang Global Crete.
BNC is still reaching out to the parties for their side. Hannah Tia, Billionario News Channel.